So again, very, very important. So that is the completion of that sprint. And this cycle of sprint planning, sprint execution, and sprint review. The cycle continues every sprint. It's not just done once in 5 months, 6 months, or 1 year. It actually gets done every 2 weeks, every 3 weeks, and that's why it is so powerful, so successful. Because it's not just saying hi and then bye to the customer, or the team doesn't even know what the other person is working on. So there is that close collaboration sense of a progressive working and development of the project, of the product. So sprint retrospective basically is what we discussed as, the improvement to the process. It's not the product. So sprint review is about the product. It's about how it's taking shape and the form, how it's performing, how does it look like, how does it work. That's all the product. Whereas the retrospective is about how we got there, how we actually performed as a team. Do we need any changes? What did we really do well in the sprint? So we ask these 3 questions, and everybody can give their views in the team in terms of what went well in the sprint, what did not go well in the sprint, if there are any problems, anything that we did not do well, and then what are the areas of improvement, what do we need to change in the coming sprint. So this is constantly, again, it goes back to the fundamental pillars of agile: transparency, inspection, and adaptation. So you're transparent, you're opening up to a team, and you're talking about what are the problems, and then you're coming up with improvement, areas of improvement. The inspection is basically about checking back, looking back, retrospection. And that's why it's called retrospective. Retrospective is looking back in the last 2 weeks, what happened, how did we do, and then changing if anything changes, if anything that needs to improve, and then working on that. And that's called adaptation, right? Transparency, inspection, adaptation. And that's a continuous